In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stock keeping unit, or SKU, to a product in Shopify. This process is essential for effective inventory management, as SKUs serve as unique identifiers for your products and their variants, helping streamline everything from stock tracking to order fulfillment and even sales reporting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to manage SKUs not just individually, but also in bulk, making it easier to handle a larger inventory. First, we'll start by accessing the product you want to modify. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate over to the Products section. Here, you'll find a list of all the products you have in your Shopify store. It's important to select the specific product you wish to add a SKU to. This step ensures that the changes you're about to make affect the correct product or product variant. Now that you've selected your product, it's time to actually add the SKU. Scroll down until you find the Inventory section. Here, you'll locate the SKU field. This is where you'll enter your SKU for the product or for each variant if applicable. Remember, SKUs can be alphanumeric and they should be unique to each product or variant. Having a unique SKU keeps your inventory system organized, preventing any mix-ups or confusion later on. After you've entered the SKU, don't forget to save your changes. Typically, the Save button will be at the top right corner of the page. It's easy to overlook this step, but saving your changes is crucial as it ensures that all the modifications you made are recorded properly. If you find yourself needing to add SKUs to multiple products, Shopify offers a more streamlined approach using the bulk editor. Start by selecting the products you wish to modify and then proceed to click on Edit Products. Within this bulk editor, the SKU field will be readily accessible for all chosen products. Alternatively, if you're dealing with a large volume of products, you can opt to update them by importing a CSV file with the relevant SKU information, a tip suggested by a Shopify community post. Understanding SKUs is vital for anyone dealing with products. They are not just random codes, they are essential tools for keeping your inventory organized, facilitating order fulfillment, and making reporting more comprehensive and straightforward. Establishing a consistent SKU format can provide long-term benefits, not only keeping SKUs short and easy, but also ensuring they are easily understandable, avoiding duplication, which can lead to errors. Incorporating these best practices for SKUs can significantly enhance your product management processes, helping your business stay efficient and organized. Whether you're managing a small store or a larger operation, mastering SKUs will make a significant difference in keeping your business flowing smoothly.